Welcome to this introductory module on ChatGPT, where we will learn the essentials about this model. Before we delve into ChatGPT, it is important to discuss OpenAI, the organization behind its development. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, was established as a software laboratory with the mission of creating technology as a safe and beneficial tool for humanity. Despite its relatively short lifespan, OpenAI has rapidly emerged as one of the leading artificial intelligence laboratories globally. Regarding its inception, OpenAI was founded in 2015 as a non-profit entity. It arose from the vision of pioneering minds in the AI field in the United States who, cognizant of the potential biases and risks associated with general artificial intelligence, wanted to ensure the technology was developed in a safe and controlled manner. During its formative years, OpenAI concentrated on the development of natural language models, such as the renowned GPT language model and its successor GPT-2. In 2020, OpenAI launched GPT-3, one of the world's largest and most advanced language models. Boasting more than 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 has been utilized for various tasks like text generation, automatic translation, chatbot creation, and code generation. Besides natural language models, OpenAI has also embarked on projects in robotics, computer vision, and artificial intelligence security. This company was initially established by a diverse group of influential individuals in the technology field, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman. Today, Sam Altman serves as the company's current CEO. In terms of its significance, OpenAI has become a global benchmark in the field of artificial intelligence, collaborating with powerhouse corporations like Microsoft and Tesla. Furthermore, OpenAI has continually expanded over the years, not only in size but also in scope, proving to be one of the most influential organizations in contemporary artificial intelligence research. Here we have a graph illustrating the company's progress. It shows the daily visits to the official OpenAI website from December 2022, when they released their latest ChatGPT model, up until now, which has drawn more than 24.7 million visits. Impressively, these visits far outnumber those to social networks such as TikTok or Facebook. Given these facts, we can confidently affirm that OpenAI is among the most significant organizations in the field of artificial intelligence. We can anticipate that they will continue developing innovative models and solutions in the AI field in the coming years. Welcome to this task, where we will delve into the ChatGPT model. ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022 that belongs to the GPT-3 family and is enhanced by both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT unveiled its initial prototype on November 30, 2022, rapidly gaining user attention with its insightful responses across a broad array of knowledge domains. This model is capable of generating text responses akin to those provided by humans based on a varying input prompts. You might ask, how does this model operate? Essentially, ChatGPT processes a series of user-submitted inquiries and responds promptly in a natural language. This version of the model is known as ChatGPT-3. Its training involved the utilization of voluminous text data harvested from the internet. Specifically, it boasts more than 570 gigabytes of data procured from an array of sources such as books, web content, Wikipedia, articles, and other text readily available online. More than 300 trillion words have been fed into the ChatGPT system. However, it is worth noting that ChatGPT's knowledge cutoff is in September 2021. Hence, all its responses rely on information acquired prior to 2021. Once ChatGPT provides an answer, users have the opportunity to provide feedback indicating their satisfaction with the response, which aids ChatGPT in improving. Further, it is important to understand that ChatGPT has been a part of the internet ecosystem from 2008 to 2010. It is a system that's continually updated, and with the latest version, ChatGPT 4, the data is much more current. So what potential does this model hold? In truth, ChatGPT offers several benefits, including its adaptability to various knowledge fields. For instance, it facilitates language generation. We can instruct it to compose a story based on a particular theme, and ChatGPT can accomplish this in a natural language. It is also adept at answering diverse questions. We can pose a query as we would in a Google search, and it can provide an answer based on its repository of knowledge. Similarly, ChatGPT can assist us in text completion. We can specify how we want the text to be continued, and ChatGPT is then capable of autonomously generating new text. Its uses extend to language translation too, as it is trained in multiple languages. Lastly, ChatGPT can also be employed to summarize and create condensed versions of various texts. In this task, we will discuss the various advantages of ChatGPT as well as its differences from conventional chatbots. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to user input in natural language. This means users can communicate with ChatGPT using the same language and syntax they would use when speaking with other people. ChatGPT can also understand and respond to context, allowing it to generate more appropriate and relevant responses to user input. Besides its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT has other features and abilities that make it a powerful tool for driving conversations. Among the advantages of ChatGPT is personalization. ChatGPT can be customized to suit a user's needs and preferences. This includes adjusting the tone and style of responses and choosing the types of information and topics it can discuss with the user. ChatGPT also allows for adaptation. It uses learning algorithms to personalize its responses based on past interactions and user preferences. Additionally, it includes multilingual support. ChatGPT can understand and respond to inputs in several languages, making it a useful tool for international users or for those wishing to communicate in multiple languages. Another advantage it offers is scalability. It can handle large volumes of data and can drive conversations with multiple users simultaneously, making it ideal for use in customer service applications or online communities. As we can see, ChatGPT is a useful and versatile tool with a wide range of capabilities. But how does it differ from other chatbots? Well, ChatGPT is one of several types of chatbots available, but it possesses unique functionalities and advantages. A key difference is ChatGPT's large language model, which allows it to understand and respond to inputs in a way similar to a human being. Other chatbots may rely on pre-programmed responses or keyword matches, resulting in less natural or less relevant responses. Another distinct feature of ChatGPT is its learning capability. It uses various algorithms to analyze user input and improve responses based on previous conversations with the user. Another key difference lies on ChatGPT's ability to handle more complex or open-ended conversations. Because ChatGPT can understand and respond to context, it can better manage conversations that cover a wide range of topics and that require a more in-depth response. Overall, we can say that the use of natural language processing and machine learning algorithms sets ChatGPT apart from other conventional chatbots, making it an extremely useful tool. It's also important to note that OpenAI's competitors are working on improving their chatbots. For example, Google has a large team working in the field of artificial intelligence to develop a model similar to ChatGPT. Not only Google but also Microsoft, which recently integrated OpenAI's functionalities, and companies like IBM and Databricks are working on developing models similar to ChatGPT. In this task, we will discuss the limitations of ChatGPT models. As we have previously mentioned, ChatGPT is an extremely useful tool for various tasks. However, this model has certain limitations that we must be aware of to use it effectively and responsibly. The primary limitation of ChatGPT is its potential to generate biased information. It might not only exhibit bias but also produce incorrect or even false responses. Moreover, there are many questions or types of queries for which ChatGPT currently has no suitable answers. For instance, previous versions of ChatGPT were unable to work with images or audio, a limitation that has been addressed in the most recent version, ChatGPT 4. Remember that while ChatGPT mimics human intelligence impressively, it is not designed to accomplish tasks that exceed the capabilities of human intelligence. Consequently, it is recommended that a human review the responses it generates. Now let's examine some examples of the different limitations of ChatGPT. Here, the user tells ChatGPT that Mike's mother has 4 children. 3 of them are named Louis and Mary, but the names of the remaining child are unknown. ChatGPT then asserts that it is impossible to determine the name of the 4th child based on the provided information. This is incorrect because we already know that the 4th child is Mike. Here the user points out that the answer is in the question itself, yet ChatGPT continues to insist that it is impossible to identify the name of the 4th child. This illustrates that even though ChatGPT can comprehend context and generate information, it is not always capable of providing the correct response. Moreover, we can observe how ChatGPT can display bias. It is asked to produce a joke about a woman, but declines, stating that it cannot create a joke about a woman that could be offensive or inappropriate. However, when asked to generate a joke about a man, it does so without hesitation, implying that men prefer smarter women. This joke involves both genders, demonstrating the bias that can significantly influence ChatGPT's responses. Finally, here's a third example involving a numerical calculation. The user asks, "What is 2 plus 5?" to which ChatGPT correctly replies 7. However, the user insists that his wife believes the answer to be 8. In response to this, ChatGPT deviates from its initial correct answer, saying that if his wife insists that 5 plus 2 equals 8, then it must be 8. In this instance, we see how incorrect feedback from a user can lead ChatGPT to produce an erroneous response. These examples highlight the different types of bias that can arise in ChatGPT's responses. For this reason, it is crucial to handle ChatGPT with caution and not place blind trust in this tool.